What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Javon VP, man, back with another video, man. Today we got a POF video, man. That mean pursuit on feet, man. These niggas back to get on feet and get the beat on motherfuckers. We got the one that thought he got away. APD officers apprehend an elusive robbery suspect. Once again, just like the last video where they stole a scat. I said stop stealing people's shit. But y'all ain't gotta listen to me, man. Listen to the judge. On August 9th.
How you doing? I'm Detective Singh. I need to see your cameras.
Handcuffs.
Hold on, I can't even read it. He taking shit and all types of shit. I need the surveillance shows so unidentified male suspect entering the store with a semi-automatic handgun containing extender. Okay. Yeah, that brrr. Okay. That's all they say. He walks in the store with that brrr. Okay, he walked up on that nigga, said, "Give me the key, nigga. Alright, do it to you." Snatched his keys, walked out. A little over a week later, on the 17th of August, officer seen the nigga. Oh no, somebody flagged down at the store in reference. You know what I'm saying? The reporting party states that the robbery suspect was seen coming into the store earlier in the day, and that he may still be in the area, or that he may stay in the area. Ah shit! And they see somebody that looks like that nigga, and he hop out on feet.
Put your hands up. Come here. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
I don't got that. I don't got shit. I ain't got no gun.
He's at gunpoint right now.
I don't got shit.
Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Walk that way. Walk that way. Walk that way. Okay.
He trying to get him away
Walk
from
that
the
way.
alley.
Put. Lift it up. Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What you locking me up for?
Turn around. Turn around.
What I do? When you put handcuffs on the car, I ain't do nothing. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got no gun.
Do this. Do this.
I ain't got no gun. Real quick. I don't know what they got me. Hold on. Hey, y'all back up real quick. Back up for me.
Back up.
Hold up. Everybody back up real quick. Chill for a minute. Everybody back up, all right?
Oh, they take him back to the stove. He manages to get out. Oh my god, nigga got out his cuffs. That's what that said.
Find somebody road. Find somebody on Avenue. Right now we got a blue.
That nigga suck at giving out the directions, boy. This man accent so strong, boy.
Stop. Give me some of your hands. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Yeah, 2 weeks.
2680, we good.
I'm just sitting, bro. Stop.
Hey, you got the case on for this? I put up on my camera.
So back to the last video I just look, man, stop stealing people's shit, bro. Cause literally, Nigga was charged with armed robbery, aggravated assault, possession of a firearm, and the commission of a felony. He also had an active warrant. Twin, why the fuck if you got a warrant is you out here tweaking with niggas? And he innocent until proven guilty. Man, that's your boy Devon BP, man. Stop stealing nigga shit. This is a perfect example of what happened when you take people's stuff, dog.